Hi viewers. Welcome to the set of Preacher, season 3, in the bag. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs.
Get those sons!
That's your grandma. She's on traction, isn't she?
Hold her!
It's great to be back in New Orleans. We have so much returning crew and cast, obviously, but we also have some incredible new characters that we're introducing this year.
Grandma! Grandma. Skin tighter than a hotel sheet.
Grandma loves you more than anything.
We have an appointment.
Welcome, brothers and sisters and gender-neutral relatives.
When you come back, you really don't realize how much you've missed it because it's such a unique world.
Which is violent and scary and dramatic and romantic, but also perverse and silly.
You take communion? Church of the Blessed Virgin?
No, man, I don't know no Blessed Virgin.
What we were going for this season was to enhance what we've already started. To keep the action going, keep the comedy going.
Come up out the way, you lightning-struck little Bob trap.
The comic is extraordinarily violent.
What if I asked?
Have to have an element of fun about them, even though they're kind of horrific.
Just like old times, right, kid?
I missed fighting last year. I missed the fighting, so this year I get to do a bunch more fighting.
You like drugs?
Being back on the set of Preacher's awesome.
Next thing I know, we're splayed over trees.
My goodness.
Incoming.
With all the stunts and the locations and the crew here, and the way they're able to make it look so great, that's the biggest challenge, maintaining that Preacher quality throughout. I'm not surprised to hear that there's nothing else like it on TV.
I told you, I don't give a tick about her.
It's going to be so bad, man. I can't wait to get into that.
Shall we take a short walk and save the world?